Welcome to your complete beginner's guide to building an online store with WooCommerce on WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence and practical know-how to launch your very own e-commerce shop, from adding your first product all the way to growing your business and tracking sales. So let's dive right in and start turning your ideas into a storefront that stands out. The first thing you'll want to do is add your products. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on WooCommerce and select Products. Now, when you add a product, make sure you give it a descriptive name that your customers will recognize. Think about what they'd type in to find it. Next, write a short but compelling description. It's like giving your product a little elevator pitch. Be sure to upload eye-catching photos because good product images are like window displays. If something looks appealing, people will want to take a closer look. Take your time with the details here. Set the correct price, enter any variations like sizes or colors, and make sure your stock information is accurate. Remember, getting this right now means fewer customer questions and an easier checkout experience later. Once your products are set, it's time to choose your theme. This step is about the look and feel of your entire store. In WordPress, go to Appearance, then Themes, and explore the options. There are tons of free and paid themes built specifically for WooCommerce, so you can find something that matches your brand's vibe, whether that's bold and modern or cozy and classic. Preview a few options and pick one that's clean, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate because your customers will thank you for a shop that's easy on the eyes and simple to use. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can always customize or switch themes as your brand evolves. Now let's set up payments. This is where you make it easy and secure for customers to buy from you. In WooCommerce settings, look for the Payments section. Here you can connect popular options like PayPal, Stripe, or even direct bank transfers. I recommend enabling multiple payment options so your customers can choose what's most convenient for them. Take your time to fill in the required details and always run a test transaction to make sure everything works smoothly. This step helps you build trust and reduces abandoned carts. Nobody wants surprises when they're ready to check out. Next, you'll need to collect sales tax. In the WooCommerce settings, there's a helpful tax section where you can enable and configure how tax appears for your products. Rules are different depending on your country and location, so check your local regulations. WooCommerce even has automated options to help calculate tax rates, which can be a real lifesaver if numbers aren't your thing. Setting this up correctly keeps your business compliant and saves you headaches down the road. Here comes the exciting part, launching your store. Take a moment to preview everything, double-check your products, page layouts, and settings. When you're ready, make the store live and share your new website with friends, social media, and anyone who helped along the way. Remember, launching isn't the end, it's just the start of your business adventure. Now let's talk about what comes after launch. Growing your business is all about making your store better and attracting more customers. Think about enhancing your shop with WooCommerce extensions. These are like power-ups for your website, adding features like subscriptions, memberships, or even advanced product filters. Download the free WooCommerce mobile app so you can manage orders and track sales right from your phone, even when you're on the go. Review your shipping options as well. Make sure you're offering methods that fit your products and your customers' needs, maybe free shipping for local orders or international rates for overseas buyers. You can also extend your reach using tools like Pinterest for WooCommerce, helping you put your products in front of engaged shoppers who love discovering new finds. And once your shop is live and orders are rolling in, head over to Reports in WooCommerce. Here you can monitor your sales and analytics. Keep an eye on your best sellers, your busiest days, and learn what's working, like your own business dashboard. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Here's to your online business success. I'll see you in the next video.